Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So, as we can see, this on Euro JPY, we are having a trending movement to the upside. You clearly can see that Euro JPY is an uptrend move. I mean, if you take a look at it, I think this movement here started early 2020, right? It's going to 4 years now. You clearly can see it from here. EURJPY has been giving us some movement, which is the movement to the upside. So it has been trending up ever since then. So basically, we are still on an uptrend move. So for swing traders, you would want to be going long. For those that would love to hold it for long, it will be, you want to buy. But for this week, with what I'm seeing right now, Euro US is actually going to be giving us Euro JPY, sorry, should give us a bullish move. Reason why I said that is that first of all, we can see that there was a rejection around this level, right? There was a rejection around this level, and our market is around this level. So I will be expecting another rejection to the upside. So this rejection where the market rejected from would be seen as our support level. So, but before that, guys, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, you'll find the link to the Telegram channel, click on it, follow us, subscribe to the channel so you get an update from us. Now back to this our analysis. This is the support level. So from this support level, let's expect market to actually bounce up. So let's see how it goes, by the way, for this week. Euro JPY, our bias is to the upside for this week.